Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys. I'm bringing you along with me to updating my kitchen when it comes to the cabinets and the hardwares. I'm looking to change it from this brown right here, as you can see, with the stainless steel or the silver hardwares, the knobs and stuff like that. I'm looking to change it from this brown to white on top and navy blue at the bottom one. And the hardwares are going to be switched to gold. The faucet is going to change to gold. And so that's what I am looking to bring you guys. So stay tuned.
All right, so it's coming along. I think Gloria did it all. It looks amazing. Look at that. And tomorrow she's gonna do the blue down here and the navy here as well with the gold accents. It's gonna look sick. Yeah, that's Elora. She wants to be picked up. Come here, girl. Say hi. Hi. Don't cry. You gotta record it. Come on. Say cheese. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Yeah, so we got a sprayer, but that's kind of hard to do inside. So we're trying this out, and it looks good. We're taking the doors off, the drawers out, and masking tape on the top. So yeah, we'll get it done, and we'll show you the final product. All right, it is now 11:55 a.m. We're still working. Oh, sorry, p.m. Yeah, 55 p.m. It's not in the morning, it's at night. All right, so later. Okay, so the blue is coming along. You can't see it? Yeah, now you can see the blue and the white cabinets. Yeah. I just was told you can't film like this, but you got a blue. I'm gonna get a white cabinets on the top. It's gonna look good. See the blue over here, and we're gonna get some gold accents, and that will look good. So yeah, we're gonna show you when this is all done. It's a little messy here. You got the paint, you got slippers, you got masks. Hey, COVID-19, everybody gotta be safe. And you have Elora's alphabets, colors that she needs to learn over here. But it's coming along, and we'll show you the final product when this is done. I bet it's gonna look amazing. And this is an African print. Yeah, I was sanding the cabinets, and I didn't want to get it on the stove. And she also painted the door, so looking good. But yep, that's what it is, and you see you later.
Mama Ronald, eh?
Wait,
What's on it? What's on it? What's on it, guys? It's tiring.
No, be not touch it there, your BB or something, you know.
It's not easy.
Almost done. Yeah, so work in progress. I almost done and cleaning up little by little. I'm so tired, guys. Like, look at me. I'm so tired. So tired. I cannot. I'm tired. I am tired. I'm in pain. I don't know what to do, but I gotta get up and go. That's it, guys. I'll keep you guys updated on the next step. Cabinet is all painted. We just left with the very bottom right there. Those right there underneath the cabinet. We need to paint it. Knobs are in. Gold. Then we need to clean all the paint, little particles of paints that splashed everywhere. You're almost there. And I would be changing this. I'll be changing the faucet to gold. And so when it arrives, you guys will see that. Yeah, it's coming along. And there was a little light gold thing here with the mirror. I took it and touched it up with the gold paint so it's drying outside. It's outside and I'll be changing these lights, the covers. I want it clear. So it's all coming up soon. Watch out. I'll keep you updated. All right, bye. All right, ta-da, guys. This is the end result. Here we go. We're all done. Kitchen looking beautiful. Wow. So I bought a spray paint and painted that more gold since we're doing gold accent. And then I changed those from white to the navy blue. It is looking beautiful. That's that side. It's a beautiful blue with the gold hardware. It's very beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful. And I switched out my blender from the first one. Forgot what it was, but this one is the KitchenAid. Hey KitchenAid, we repping. And I love the blue, the blue base, because it kind of ties in with everything. And this is how this side is looking. I got all the, this thing for the kitchen napkins. I got it from Amazon. And it so matches the hardware. We got the hardware from Home Depot, Lowe's. And then the paint is from Lowe's as well. I believe it's by Sherwin Williams, I believe. And then I ordered this gold dish dryer from Amazon as well. I got this new, I put in a new gold kitchen faucet, and I got it from Amazon as well. It's very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I ordered that paper towel holder from Amazon as well, since we were switching everything from stainless to gold. So that is it, guys. That is the big project we did last week, and we are all done. Oh, and I ordered those mat from Amazon as well, and they tie in so well. I don't know how to get a full view for you guys, but yeah, let me know what video you guys would like to see from me next. This is it. This is it. I would see you guys in my next video. Ciao.